Uh, Children, we are going to start with chapter 3, that is operations of large numbers. Yes, in this chapter there are basically 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And today we are going to start with addition. We have already discussed properties of addition. Yes, now let's see how we do addition. There are 2 ways of doing addition. First, you may write horizontal statement and you can do addition. And second, you write statement in vertical way and do addition. Yes, but horizontal we use for smaller numbers, and vertical, that is this one, this style we use for bigger numbers. Yes, so children, numbers that we add, we call it addends. Yes, this is addend 1 and this is addend 2. Yes, right. And we always start addition from right hand side. Start addition from right side. RIGHT, right side. Okay, now this is also clear to you. Numbers that we add, we call it addends, and we always start addition from right hand side, that is from ones place, and we move towards left hand side, from right to left hand side. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So what is here our first addend? 2 crore 85 lakh 93,614. What is second addend? 8 crore 93 lakh 41,623. So this much is clear to you all, children. Now let's start addition from right hand side, that is from ones column. We are going to add first this ones column. Yes, what are the 2 digits in ones column? 4 and 3. Add 4 and 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 2. After adding ones column, move to tens column. 1 plus 2, 3. Now move to hundreds column. 6 plus 6, 12. I'll be writing 2 here and 1 will carry over. Yes, so 3 plus 1, 4, carry 1, 5. Here will be 5. Yes, then 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1 on lakhs place. Now add lakhs column. 5 plus 3, 8. Carry 1, 9. Now add 10 lakhs column. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10 and 11. So, how we are going to write our answer? We will be writing our answer like 11 crore 79 lakh 35,237 is our answer. What is our answer? 11 crore 79 lakh 35,237. Right. Now this is clear to you all. Now children, come to next exercise, that is next example, where it is given addition and it is given 5,454, 4,57,639 and 2,63,89,405. Now it is given in horizontal statement. Okay, now we have to add this. Can we add like this? No, we cannot add like this because it is pretty difficult. So what we have to do? We will first arrange these addends in a vertical way. Okay, now see which is the largest addend here. This one, 2,63,89,405. So first write place value till crores period. Okay, got it. First what you have to find out largest addend. Our largest addend is 2,63,89,405. Yes. Now first step to write all the place value till crores period. Okay, now see here. I am going to write and always start from right hand side. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crore, 10 crore. Is it clear? Now see first addend. What is our first addend? 5,454. Please place it. Always start placing from right hand side. That is from ones column. Children, I am using whitener, but you are not supposed to use it. Okay, I am using, but you are not supposed to use whiteners. Okay, now let's start placing digits. So ones place, it is given 4. Okay, tens place 5, hundreds place again 4, and thousands place 5. Stop it here. Now see the second addend. Start placing in the next line. 9, 3, 6, 7, 5. Placed it. Now come to the third addend. Start placing from right hand side, that is from ones column. 5, 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 6 and 2. There is nothing at tens column. Put sign here, addition. Now this is clear. This is clear to you all. First addend, second addend, third addend. Okay. Now start addition from ones column. From where we are going to start addition? From ones column. So first see what are the digits in ones column. 4, 9 and 5. Add 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 8 I'll be writing here and 1 I'll be giving carry over to tens column. Now see the digits in tens column. 5 and 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Carry 1, 9. Because again, see again. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 0. Carry 1, 9. Yes. Now add hundreds column. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. What I'll be writing here? 4. And 1 will be carry over to thousands column. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 1, 2. See again. 5 plus 7, 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So I'll be writing 2 here and give 2 carry over to 10,000. Nothing is here, so it is 0. So 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 15. I'll be giving 1 to lakhs. Now, here is nothing, here is nothing. That means there is 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Again, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 2. So this is clear. So what is this? This is your sum. This is your sum. Yes. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2,64,52,498 is your answer. Okay, I believe this is clear to you all.